Good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Okay. Oh, morning kicked off abruptly. Wife woke me up. It's snowing in Georgia. We're getting mad snow right now. Nothing compared to how it is in New York, but still, it's snowing in Georgia. So what are we looking at today on the charts? Let's get to it. First of all, I want to thank you for the subscribers. Really appreciate you guys' support. Continue to subscribe and the notification bell so you can see when I'm trading live in front of your eyes, win, lose, or draw. I'm going to show you guys everything. So right now we have NQ on the charts. And from my previous video earlier in the week, 2 days ago to be exact, 3 days ago maybe, you see my bias is to the downside, this red line right here. I'm on a 4-hour time frame on this chart, and on this chart I'm on a 15-hour time frame. So I do my analysis over here, try to take an entry somewhere over here or maybe even a lower time frame. But let me see. So this daily candle right here failed to close below this. Now we're getting a push down. So volume is increasing. Volume did increase and then dropped off dramatically yesterday. And it's increasing again today. So price is basically ranging right now, people. It's ranging between this level and this level. So I'm feeling like we're at the bottom of the range right now, so we can possibly get a reversal back to the upside. See, this volume really isn't. Like I said, I have a bearish bias simply because we broke structure. We broke market structure to the downside. But that doesn't mean I just hop in and just take a sell. You know what I'm saying? I got to take it from the right area. If not, I'll be in drawdown, and I don't want to do that. Right now on our 50K account, we're up. Look over here. We're up $304 on our account. That needs to be 3,000 for us to pass. So we need to have 53,000 in here for us to pass our challenge. So let's just see what happens when the market opens, man. I don't really know what the market's doing right now. We had that break yesterday for the passing of Jimmy Carter. But yeah, let's just wait and see, man. It took me a long time to learn that winning in the markets has to just do with nothing but pure patience. So let's check it out. Let's see what the deal is. Like I said, we have liquidity sitting above this area right here. We also have liquidity sitting in this zone right here. So this is a level of liquidity also. Let's change this to y'all. Let's just keep it. Let's go to 1. Let's just keep it official like that. So we have levels of liquidity sitting here and here with the fair value gap and balance up top. So, man, I have every reason to think that we're going to push back to the top. We're sweeping liquidity on this side. That's what it looks like right here. It looks like this is a sweep of liquidity. I always wonder how them dudes use the magnet, but still could just stop wherever they want. That always perplexes me. The magnet tool over here. Another thing, I'm gonna do everything for you guys. I'm gonna do a trading view video, marking up your charts and stuff like that. I'm just gonna give you guys everything, every single thing on this channel. You don't have to go anywhere else. If you have any questions, you ask me in the comments, and if it deserves a video on its own, I'll do a video on its own. I want you guys to feel comfortable on this channel with everything that I'm doing. Okay, so open this up. Let me put my chat box out here. Alright. Oh my god, bro. Alright, there we go. Yeah, like I said, we're getting a little push up. We still have 50 minutes before this 4-hour candle closes. I don't like hopping in on open candles, so you know I'll be looking to the 15 minute for entry. We could get a bounce off of this level right here, this zone right here on the 15 minute. You guys following my cursor, right? We could get a bounce right there. We could fill it, bounce, sweep, and then continue back up for a move down. So we could do something like this. As you can see from the first video, it still hasn't really changed. We can do something like this. Well, I think I'm gonna do it on this side because this is what I'm looking at. So we could possibly, this is possible, guys. We could do something like this, bounce into this zone, you know, play around, sweep liquidity in this zone, come back down, sweep in this low, act like we're running for this, or actually take this out, bounce, come back up here into this zone up here, and then come down for the move. But we don't know. This is all hypothetical. But right now we are sweeping this low. That is a bullish sign, and we can't close beneath this low. So I was watching this this YouTuber named TJ Trades, and apparently he's taking a lot of flack on TikTok. You know, he's a younger guy, and you know, these younger kids do like to shame you for taking 1-to-1s, telling him, oh, you'll never take a 1-to-1. Well, whatever. This guy has money. You know, he's been trading for a long time. And it just, my first video, I had a bearish bias and he had a bullish bias. He ended up losing 25,000 when I ended up making 300. But I traded the same way he traded. I traded up because I didn't want to wait for the move, but he just took his major move up. So that just gave me a little bit of confirmation of my own to let me know that I am on the right side of the market when I'm looking at the market. Now, I'm not going to be 100% of the time, but when you have somebody who's been doing it way longer than you, who has way more experience, way more money, X, Y, and Z, and you see them make an analysis of the market and you totally disagree with it and you stick to your guns, that's good confirmation, man. You know what I'm saying? So, pat on the back for me. I don't like that he lost money. You know, I don't know the kid, but seems like a decent dude. He's funny as hell, I'll tell you that much. Alright, so it's 9:12, guys. So we got about 18 minutes before the market opens up. Can I get in here and take a little gamble rooski? I could. If I was to do so, I would take it to the downside, so somewhere in here. Somewhere in here, maybe. Wow. If I took a, wow, guys, wow. Hold up. I'm gonna have to jump down to a lower time frame here, but just to move down to here is 100 points, 100 plus points. If I took five contracts, that's $1,000 and some change. Let me okay, let me move this one to the 15 and move this one to the 1 minute chart, because if I do this, see how the market's ranging? I'm not really feeling that. What's this looking like on an hour? Okay, we still got 46 minutes left on an hour. Opening price was up here. What was opening price? Opening price was over here somewhere. Bearish bias. Yeah, I feel like price is gonna come up here and start sweeping some levels, man. To be completely honest with you guys. Let me just see something here real quick. We have all these liquidity points on a higher time frame. Yeah, price is definitely going to chase this. I got a bullish bias for today, simply because we have all this liquidity sitting above us. We failed to close on the 1 hour. We closed below, which is good, and we closed with a fair value gap. So my bias would still be bearish, but what I'm saying is I'm thinking about scalping to the upside again. What do you guys think? We have a sweep here on a 1 minute, swept this level. This becomes a valid order block. Hmm. Go to the 5 minute. The bullish volume is dying off. Guys, I might get a pre-market entry to the downside, possibly. I don't wanna rush this thing. But I'm feeling like we're gonna chase this liquidity up top. But just look at this volume right here. Look at it just dying off. See it's going down like this? I'm sorry, I keep talking with my hand in front of my mouth. You see how the volume keeps going down like this? But the market's going up. On a 1 hour, it's the fair value gap hasn't formed yet. It's making the fair value gap right now on a 1 hour. But this is a pretty strong rejection from the bottom side coming up into this fair value gap. You don't want to see that if you want to take a level from the fair value gap on down. You want to see a weak rejection. You want to see this candle come up here somewhere and close. This thing is pushing all the way up. So that's pretty strong. That's a pretty strong rejection from the downside. If we go back to the oh shit. My bad, guys. If we go back to the 4 hour, you see we're rejecting this low right here. Market hasn't opened yet. It's not 9:30. To be honest with you, I'm just being mad thirsty right now for a trade. On a 1 minute, the volume is picking up. Volume's picking up on a 1 minute now. The 1 minute's gonna lead. Lower time frames always lead the move, guys, but they're less predictable. Okay. So what do we have here? We're in the fair value gap on the 1 minute. We have a 1 minute fair value gap right here. Let's mark this out. Let's mark this out because I can do something slick here. Let's mark this out. This is a 1 minute. Let's turn this joint yellow. This is the 4 hour in pink. Okay. That's the 4 hour in pink. So let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay. We have a 15-minute candle open right here. We did close above this low, this high on the 15-minute. But we're entering into a fair value gap on the 15, which is overlapping with the 4 hours, overlapping with the 15 and the 1 minute. So we have a lot of fair value gaps to the downside right now. So with that being said, we have major liquidity over here that's been swept. If price closes below this this red line I have right here on the 1 minute, I may take a trade to the downside before the market even opens up. But yeah, we're pushing up to the upside. Let me just go back here so I just don't play myself. Okay, see how you play yourself? My 4 hours up here, I was tripping. I knew something was fishy. So what was I looking at here? Oh, this was the 1 hour possibly being formed. And I think the 1 hour will form a fair value gap. So I am looking for this to reverse. And I'm not showing you guys all my analysis as far as like me looking at what Asia session did and all that, because the average person coming into trading, I want it to be easy for you to make money. Those are all advanced techniques and advanced levels. For real. You come on the chart as a beginner, mark out previous day high, mark out previous day low. These are your major levels right here. Let's turn these blue, blue, and blue. That's previous day high and previous day low. Oh, shit, two different blues. Did I just do that? Damn it. Alright, boom. Let's remove this red. Get it out the way for you guys because I can see it on the chart. So we swept previous day lows as of right now on the 4 hour. Wait, what is going on over here? 1 minute. 4 hour. On the 4 hour, it looks to be that we're sweeping previous day lows. What is a sweep? It's when the candle comes through a level and reverses and doesn't close below. That's a liquidity run. It's a liquidity sweep. They're sweeping liquidity. A run of liquidity is when it goes through the areas and closes. That's a run on liquidity. Now, let's see what we have here. See how I said if the level closes underneath here, if the price closes underneath here, it just closed underneath here. So, I may take a trade to the downside. I don't know if I'm going to use 5 micros, but I may take a trade. I have to see what's going on right now. Because we did get a close. We definitely got a close, but I feel like it wasn't strong enough. It wasn't convincing for me. But it may have been convincing enough just because of where it hit. Let's go to the 15 minute. We still got 38 minutes for the 4 hours. So let's go to the 15. Guys, let me know if me switching back and forth between charts is confusing you guys too. So we got a strong close over this high into this 15-minute fair value gap. Let me remove the yellow. Let me remove all of this. Remove all of this, draw a new one. We're going to make our 15-minute white. Boom, that's our 15-minute fair value gap. We had, but the volume going in it was weak. I'm about to jump in, guys. I'm about to jump in. Let's I want to do 5, but I don't. I'm looking. I like this level right here. It's just the market hasn't opened yet, so I don't really trust it. And it closed. The close, man, I'm taking it. I'm gonna take it, guys. I'm gonna scalp it. I'm gonna scalp it. Get ready to close some of these out. 80. Can we get a push down? I'm gonna scalp it. Let's start the day off right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there we go. There was the push I was looking for. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take 2 off right there because I'm scalping right now. The market's not open. I do not like doing this. I do not like doing this. Let me take a trade. Let me protect myself. Let me buy back 2. Let's change this out to 3 because I have 3 contracts on. 3. Boom. I'm such a savage. I'm bringing it to my break-even point. I don't want to lose no money. I don't want to lose no money. There we go. We got a nice little flush. I'm gonna take off another. I'm gonna take off another 2. Let's buy back 2. We're up $100 on a day. You know what I'm saying? Change my buy stop to. How many do I have left on the trade? 1. My buy stop to 1. Now we're risk free on the trade, guys. I'm not going nuts. This joint goes all the way down from here. If it comes down to here, that's 78 times 2 because I only have 1 micro on. Not bad, right? Not too shabby, but it might go back up because the market's not even open yet. Look at that. Look at that. I just wanted to scalp. You know what I'm saying? said, I'm continuously see that jump. That's why you do that. Still up $100 on the day already. Market didn't even open yet, and that's how I want to start it. I'm still thinking this is gonna push down to the downside, so I could hop back in. Um, this candle closed on high volume, not really high volume, but it closed enough to let me know that the market's not ready to move yet. A bias is still to this red line. So we've hit this 15-minute right here, which is overlapping with our 1 minute, which is right here. This is our 1 minute. That's what tapped in, hit the order block, created an order block. So my bias is still to the downside, but I need to see more volume coming in. It's 9:26, 4 minutes left till the market opens. We could get a sweep of this level also. Okay, remember when I spoke to you guys about Take Profit Trader and no fees for their funding? They said the sale's ending soon. That's when I take advantage of Take Profit Trader, because other than that, they have a $130 activation fee. So you pass your challenge, you gotta pay $130. Same thing for Top Step. Pay $50 for your challenge, your evaluation. You pass it, you gotta pay $150. Like, these prop firms are really wilding out, but that's how they make their money. They make their money from people failing their evaluations and buying more accounts. Right? It's a trade-off, though. They're a business. You gotta respect it. They front you the money to get in the market, and you know, you gotta make it work. Hold on, guys. Today's Biscuit's first time seeing snow ever. I'm a New Yorker, so you know I love the snow. Haven't seen it in a while since I moved down to Georgia. 9:27, guys. Remind me in the chat to order my glasses, man. Yo, oh my God, this light makes my eyes water so bad. It's looking like the market wants to break, like it wants to break. But I don't trust it. I don't trust it at all. What's the 5 minute looking like? Okay, this is better for me. All right, this is better for me. Let me see. Let me do some risk management here. I want to take a trade to the downside, and I want to take it from here. It's been on 53 points, 25 points. If I did 5 micros, it's 250. I just made 100. So what if I did like 3 micros? So that'd be like 150. If I went to the downside. Okay. See this volume right here that kicked in? The market's getting ready to open in 1 minute. A lot of goofy shit happens during market open. Some people love to trade it. I hate to trade it. That's where they try to whip you around and get you caught up in the game. Still got 30 minutes for this hourly candle to close. Same for the 4-hour. Just want to show you guys. So, what am I thinking here? You're definitely still sweeping this low right here. So I'm still bullish. I'm thinking like we're gonna get a reversal to the upside sometime today. Okay, price look like it swept this level too. It's going back down. If this is the case, we get a close underneath this white candle right here. We get a close underneath this white candle. I'll be looking to take a trade to the downside. That's how you gotta scalp the market. You don't gotta bounce back and forth. You can just come up with a bias and stay with it. Like if I would have stayed in the trade from here, I'd be at break even right now from the last trade I took, but I scalped the market. We got a lot of volume coming in to the downside. Let's see how this candle closes. This will be a healthy order block if it closed underneath here on the 15-minute. This will be healthy OB. I don't even have it labeled. Oh, see, the market's dumping. So I could have caught this damn move. I'm over here on this fucking chart, tripping. Okay. Okay. What are we looking like if I get in right here on this? If I get in on this retest. 44. That's 88, 160. So I need to leave the 1 to 2. Just to right here if I get in on this. I'm gonna sell this joint. Let me see. Fair value gap up here too. Let's sell from here. Let's see how we looking. I'll sell it. I ain't about to play. I'm taking one off. I'm gonna scalp my little money. They tripping. Buy one because I'm selling. Look at that. I told you they be tripping. Bring my shit to break even. Yeah, I'm cool. Cool. Scalp me another 50. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I think they're gonna push to the upside. You see what I'm saying? And this is what I be talking about. I feel like they were gonna push to the upside, but I wasn't too certain. And that's the thing about trading, you're never certain, but you can only go with like how the market's moving. But we rejected this level right here, which would have a close beneath here would have made this a valid order block. But we rejected it. Let's see how it closes. You gotta see the candle closures in order to make a decision. If it violates this, then it's trying to go to the upside. I may hop back in for the sell. Let's do 1 unit. Let's sell 1 unit. Let's put a stop loss here too, because I ain't really finna be losing my money on these fools. Put a stop loss right here. So we're in for 1 micro, which is not a lot. Risking $46. Let's go. This is a 1 to 4 right here. I'm all the way right here. This will be a 1 to 2. I could possibly make another $100, but I'm looking more like here. So this is a 1 to 3. Let's see what happens. I'll take full TP right here. Let's buy one right here. I'll take full TP. What am I risking? 46. So we see 40. All right. Stop loss to break even. A little bit under because there's fees. So wide enough for you guys so you can see. Up $73 on the trade right now. It's pulling back. Volume's coming in. Okay, let's lock in a little bit more profits. Let's lock in a little bit more. I'm gonna go to the high of this candle. Let's remove this drawing, make it a little bit clearer for you guys. Looks like price might be trying to form an order block. There we go. I'm out. Made another 25. So I'm saying, wasn't too certain. Market's ranging around right now. This is what it does. I told you in the opening, it does a lot of goofy nonsense. But you can watch me do it live. I still think it's going to push down. Trying to create this order block to push to continue to push to the downside. But this volume was weak on a push. I think I'm about to hop back in. Let's do 2 this time. That way I can take some off. Hold on. Don't want to hop in yet. I missed my move. Messing around, I missed my move. But let's see. Catching a lot of rejection right here from this side. And we still got some time left on the 1 hour. We still got 22 minutes left, so I'm not really tripping. I'm just scalping the market right now, trying to get some trading volume. See, there we go, guys. There's the flush. There's the flush that we were talking about. What does that look like? Let's see. I think it would be safe for me to hop in on 2. Let's get ready because we hopped in on the bottom of it, on the bottom of the range. Probably get a pullback. That was a pretty good close though, so I'm gonna see what's up. I'm gonna scalp me a couple more dollars off of this because now it's not following through. This is how you get caught up as a trader. Look at that. I want to see the follow through, but we were getting rejections from this level. There we go. I'm gonna take 1 off. These guys will snap the market back on you so fast. I'm taking the other one off. I don't like it. There we go. So we went from 300 to 520, so we're up 220 on the day. You know, just scalping the market. Little trades. Our bias is still to the downside. You know what I'm saying? But when I don't see the market pushing with aggressiveness and force, this is a 1 minute chart. This thing should be flying if that's where it's going. You see how it's pushing down over here on the 15? That's what I want to see. I should have stayed in, but these rejections right here let me know that there's buyers here. Buyers keep stepping in this area. This whole area right here, buyers are stepping in. Okay? This whole area. So for me to keep selling into that is insane. Especially after this huge down push. They were able to pause the market and push it up. Even though it wasn't a strong push, they still had 2 consecutive closes. Close, close. Close over here, close above here. Even though the volume died off with weak volume, they were still able to close over here. That's an indicator for me, like, I don't know what these guys are doing. At the same time, we have a 4-hour fair value gap up here, which is like a magnet, you know? Then over here, on the 4-hour, we're just now pushing through this. So, if we get the close beneath here, still have 19 minutes. We get to close beneath here. We could still be possibly going to the downside. Like I said, this is my main target, this red line. So my bias is still bullish, bearish, guys. So nothing's changed. I'm just not trusting it. And I really want to pass this account for you guys and show you how you can just make money in the markets. We're up 220 for the day. I can stop. You know, you don't have to make a number. I made 220 in a few minutes. I can go spend time with my family, take my daughter to play in the snow, which I think I'm going to do here in a few minutes. I'm just going to give the 1 hour a chance to close and see what type of moves we can get. So when you're marking up zones on a chart, you not only want to mark areas where you want to trade from, you want to mark up areas of resistance. Where are you going to get difficulty of price moving through? See, I want to get down here, but this blue line over here is my areas of resistance. Look, this whole area, market's been bouncing back since here. Struggling to close, struggling to close, struggling. It's just been struggling. And at the end of the day, this is a valid order block right here. This is valid. So we're still inside a bullish order block. You know what I'm saying? And market structure looks like it has shifted bullish, to be honest with you. From what I told you guys yesterday, on the 4 hour, market structure does look like it shifted bullish. We need to close under here to shift back to bearish. So that's more confirming my theory that we're going to push up here. Push up here to push down here. We're sweeping major liquidity levels right now on this side. On the 4 hour, we're sweeping major liquidity levels right here. All this liquidity resting. This is our trading range. This is our dealing range right from here to here. This is the high that made this low. Not this one. This one. If we go to the daily, from the daily, we didn't get a candle close under here, under this low, until right here, which made this low. So this is the high that put in this low. So right now, price is ranging and dealing in between these two red lines. Always start from the higher time frame, because if not, you'll be screwed up. That's why I'm saying, if price wants to push down, it can, because we're technically in a bullish structure on the daily. We went for internal liquidity right here, which is this fair value gap. Came down, pushed up to external liquidity. So internal will be next. I'm just talking to myself too, chat, so don't mind me. And we're inside a bullish fair value gap. Bullish order block on the 4 hour. I'm looking for a reversal to the upside. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. We may get the sweep of this level. 15 minutes. All this volume came in here, and we're having a tough time on a 15-minute chart closing beneath these levels. That's crazy. Put the 15 over here. This is the previous day's low. Rejecting off this area again. Alright, so we didn't get the close. We swept this low right here, sweep of liquidity. trade to the upside. I'm not even gonna hold you. If I get rocked, I get rocked. But this is looking too sweet right now. This is looking real sweet. Let me get my trade ready. I might do like 2 on it. Do some risk management right here. If I get in right here to the low, it's 50, it's 100. Damn, that'd be 200. 200 done. I don't trust it yet. These rejections are crazy. Like this volume right here put in on this candle was more than both of these combined. And we still couldn't close beneath. That's why I didn't get in, y'all. Look at this. I would have been in drawdown right now, almost 200. Let's see if stop loss would have got hit. Didn't I say we was in an order block, a bullish order block somewhere? Right here. Okay. That's why you don't just hop in on a trade, because you have an inkling or a feeling. Like I said, between 9:30 and 10 o'clock is when these market makers get in here and start doing the dumbest shit ever, trying to trick you and trap your money up. So, you know, I just like to wait and see. I scalped the market for 220 already. Then I said pushing down to my target. Pushing down to my target. So had I would have stayed in, we would have had like another 1,000 to the downside. But I don't trust the opening. That's just how I am. I know what they do. I've seen it where they push it down so aggressively where you'll swear the market's just gonna tank. And on a drop of a dime, they turn it around and send it back up on you. I'm not with that. I'm not getting caught out like that no more. If you don't learn from your mistakes in the market, then, you know, I don't know what to tell you. You don't need to be trading. Let's move this out the way. According to market structure, this low should be protected. So if it gets taken out, then we're back in bullish structure. I mean bearish structure. Right now we're in bullish structure. This pin bar on the 1 minute is making me feel like the market's ready to turn up. I'm gonna hop in here for 2. Let's see, I may be wrong, maybe dead ass wrong. I'm going against the momentum of the market, which you shouldn't do. But let's see. See if I can scalp me a couple more. Couple more dollars. I want a big push. There we go. There we go. Oh, getting rejected. Big push to the upside. 45, 26. Yeah, we're getting rejected. I get another push up, I'm going to take some out. I may not get it though. Sellers are stepping back in kind of heavy. Yeah. Let's see what the buyers do right here. You got to be comfortable with sitting in drawdown, guys. You have to be comfortable with sitting in drawdown. Market's slowing down. It's definitely slowing down right before my target. Let's see what we're doing here. Yeah, buyers are definitely active down here. Let's go. Let's give me a push up. Give me a push back up. I'll take some profit off. I want to see a big push from the buyers to make me feel comfortable. I'm not seeing it yet. I'm seeing them stepping in. They're trying. Sellers are definitely heavy in the game right here. I like that jump up. Yeah, sellers are strong. They're absorbing all these buy orders right here. Okay. I'm overexposed with 2 contracts on here. I don't even like it. And I didn't do any technical. I'm going to take one off, take half off. I didn't do any TA. I just got in based off the price action as far as for this reversal. For this reversal, I feel comfortable if price closes above here. Coming back and retest it and goes up. Other than that, I'm playing games right now. What did I lock in? $25, chat? Did I lock in 25? Let's see. Let's sell one. Let's bring price to. Let's bring it to here. Or would this make me lose? Price comes back here. I'm not tripping on this. 24. It's a 25 I just took out. Okay, cool. Free trade. Free trade. Let's see what happens. Volume's dying down on the bullish side as it's trying to push up. Volume's dying down in general to the downside. We might get a push down, take me out. Yep, there we go. Taken out. It's cool. Lost $5 from that. That's what you don't want to do. You don't want to trade without conviction. I'm still feeling like we go to the upside. I just didn't like my entry. My entry level was too high for me to sit there comfortable in the trade. So I'd rather try to scalp. You know, I gave back $5. It's all good. It's not the end of the world. It's $5, you know. But you want to be smart. There's nothing wrong with getting out and preserving your capital. The name of the game is protect your capital. What do we got left on an hour? 6 minutes. We have 6 minutes left on the hourly chart for the candle to close. Where's my major liquidity? We already swept it, so my only major liquidity would be this red line or here on the 1 minute. Charting up something, guys. Just don't mind me. Trying to see something here. I'll tell you that much. I ain't never seen one. Well, not really, because it didn't sweep any liquidity. No, it's definitely valid though. I would take a trade off for this. I would take a trade off for this level somewhere. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you, chat. I even like this area right here too. This area look valid to take a trade off of too, to the downside. So I'm thinking we're gonna get the reversal to push up to here. Is that my 4 hour? Yeah, that's my 4 hour. I'm thinking we're gonna get reversal to push up to there. It looks like price pretty much ranged around here. We're gonna sweep these lows. Probably get a reversal back to the upside. So we may get this push on a lower time frame. This is fractal. So when I'm looking at this is on a 1 hour chart. So all these candles are 1 hour. So do I think we're pushing up here? I absolutely do. Do I think it's happening right now at this moment? No. I still think that we have an opportunity to go lower. 2 minutes left. Let's see if we get it closed underneath here, underneath this low. I mean, I could have made some more money on my trade to the upside. So I haven't showed you guys a real decent trade where you can just get in and let it rock out. I've been kind of scalping because like the market's just ranging. Today's Friday. You know. It's just been looking really, really, really shitty, chat. I'm still trying to get this bread. I'm gonna slow grind it. Got a minute left in an hour candle. Yo, this light is killing my eyes, chat. What the hell? Got a minute left in the hour candle. Oh wow!
Biscuit playing in the snow, Daddy.
He's playing in the snow. Daddy's making some money. Let me see.
I don't know. Oh.
Oh wow!
Look at Mama.
You're welcome, baby.
Look that.
Oh, your hands are cold. You put her gloves on?
Yeah, she had gloves on. She just touched the snow before. I took them off so she could touch it. Then she had them back on. She had on gloves and a hat and a jacket. We already took off her jacket. Come on, let's put on your boots. Oh, look, there's snow back here too. Oh, wow. Okay, come. Come, little one, come.
3 seconds left. Okay, we didn't get the close. You see this heavy push down? Did y'all just see that? Look at this. This is the bullshit I be talking about. This is the bullshit I be talking about. I'm really tempted to take a trade to the upside. Extremely tempted to take a trade to the upside. Told you guys 2 days ago we're gonna touch this level. It's all about just getting in when you fit in, man. You just gotta just wait for the market to do its thing. I'm not a swing trader. If I was a swing trader, I would have definitely took that trade and held to the downside. Market structure is bearish. I still don't trust this move. I don't trust this move to continue to push. Yeah, nah. I definitely don't trust this move to continue to push. If I was to predict the markets, which I don't do, I just react. I feel like this is going to sweep, meaning that we're going to have a wick here and a reversal back to the upside. Let's see. We wicked this low before, wicking this low. If we wick this low, that's 3 wicks in a row. I mean, in this right here, it looks crazy. I know some people like Tori trades. Check her channel out too. She's pretty dope. She trades trend lines, so she would be in this trade to the downside. This is a trend line from the top, but for me, trend lines are targets for me. They're liquidity. I don't trade trend lines. So like this was a trend line, but then look what happened to it. It got rocked. This was a trend line, and they got spanked, tested, and come down. I don't trade. I'm not a trend line trader. I don't believe that you could draw a line on a chart and the price be like, oh yeah, because you drew this line here. You know, we're gonna respect it. Let you make all this fucking money. I don't believe in that. Doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, it's good for visual, but for me, I think it's all about price levels. Okay, price slowing down. Price is definitely slow. What the hell? They connect me back. Don't try to get me out because I made this manyan. See how we're not getting the push below this level? So breakout traders that took shorts past this level, past this red line, they're now in the market with their stop losses up here. I don't know what chart they're looking at, but their stop losses are definitely at least up here. That's going to be my first target if I see that we're going to reverse. 80% of breakouts are false breakouts. They don't really happen. As you can see here, breakout, turnaround, breakout, turnaround. You know what I'm saying? This is a good trade too. If I catch it somewhere from here to here, or up to here, ooh, I might get past the challenge today if I put five micros on it. Chat, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I put 5 micros on there, I could pass this challenge. Shit, if I put 3 on there, I like this pin bar. I'm gonna put, what if I put 2 on there? That's 8, 16, I'll put at least 3. like that. The 5 minute looking like. What's the 15 looking like? I wonder what other traders are doing right now. I know a lot of them are taking it short. I should have hopped in on the shorts. Yeah, definitely should have hopped in on the shorts. Let me see what the VWAP is looking like. Okay. Definitely underneath the VWAP. Should have hopped in on the shorts right here. I forgot to put my VWAP up. This is what I really use, guys, the VWAP. This is a volume weighted moving average. And it just shows you. But this is confirming my theory that the price is going to reverse, because when price strays away from the VWAP, look what it does. It always comes back. It always comes back. And look how far we are away from it. So I'm thinking we're going to get a snap all the way back. Check this out on 1 hour. Let's see where we're at here. Okay, we're finally getting a break to the downside. So this is a valid. This looks like, I mean, from the 1 hour. From the 1 hour, we get a close under here. This is a valid breaker structure. This will become a valid breaker structure, which then again will be this high put in this low. So after a close down here, we can definitely get a pullback. So I'm just gonna wait for that. I'm gonna wait for the market to turn around and reverse. I don't want to catch this falling knife, which means the market is dropping pretty rapidly. Although it's slowing down to me, it's dropping pretty rapidly. I don't want to get in here and try to hit a reverse trade and screw myself out of some good profits. But potentially, chat, we get a move somewhere, let's say in here. I'm not doing 5. I'll probably do 2 to 3. So if I do 2, this is 468. 468 times 2, and that's almost $1,000. That's $1,000 some change. I want to pass the challenge today. This to be 4, 8, 12, 16. No, I don't even take it up here. If I just did 2, if I did 3. I did 3, I wouldn't need to get 500 points. And 500 points is massive in the futures market, I'm just telling you. If I did 3 and came back to here, this is 250. So this would be 5, 10, 15, and the other 5. So that put me at 2,000. I need to make another 1,000. But I would take it to the other side of this range, though. I'm not even going to lie to you. And chat is so funny when I hear my little 2-year-old arguing with her mom. She's just like her. Literally just like her mother. Okay, This is what I want to see right here. Let me see. 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes, this is the high that made this low because it broke here. So we need to come past this. Well, no. Tripping. This is the high that made this low. So we need to pass this in order to be bullish on the 5 minutes, which makes sense because this would be a valid order block. So I feel like price is setting up for a reversal. Chat. Now I've heard theories about 10 a.m. reversals in the New York market. I don't know how valid they are. Like I said, I just trade what I see. I do want to hop in though. I'm not even gonna lie. Like this is the part where trading that is really dangerous because sometimes you just want to get in on a trade. Now I have all these markers on my chart looking crazy as hell. I'm gonna remove everything because I don't even know what the hell's going on. Sometimes you just have to do it. Let's start from scratch. 4 hour. We have a 4 hour high right here. Right? This is liquidity. This is not the high that broke the low. This is the high that broke the low. If this closes beneath here, this is the high that broke the low. So this is potentially my protected high, which means this is liquidity, which means this is liquidity, which means this swing high is liquidity. Right? All of that is sitting right underneath a 4 hour fair value gap. I feel like price is going to close underneath this, guys. I'm not even going to lie because it would just make sense. I'm up 215 for the day. I would like to make 85 more dollars, at least to make it an even 300. Put the account at 6. If I don't, I'm not tripping because the move to the upside is going to be huge. So let's just see what happens. And to be honest with you, to be completely honest with you, I'm sitting here looking at the chart. Putting this low. Change your character. Let me mark it up. This is chalk right here. So change your character. This is a breaker structure. This is a breaker structure. Alright, this is a breaker structure. This right here is a change of character to the upside. Alright. Boom. We go up. So this is the high. This is the breaker structure right here. So this is a low. So this will be another change of character right here. Back to the downside. Breaker structure. Breaker structure. Breaker structure. character. Back to the upside. No more structure breaks. Get a close under here. This would be a change of character back to the downside. If we get the close, which would pull us back in bearish territory. This being a protected high, like I said. So we really need to let this, at the very least, let this 1 hour candle close to see if this is actually a valid change of character to the downside. Because it could just be a wick. I ain't gonna hold you, chat. I'm about to take a buy. Because this is looking too sweet for me. The volume dropped off heavily for this push right here. This push was massive volume coming in. This volume is dying down on a 1 hour, on a 5 minute. We have the volume decreasing. Where did we sweep? We did sweep a low right here on a 5 minute. If I see a close above this level right here, if I see a close above here, I'm really gonna start looking for my move to the upside. And that's just keeping it 1,000 with you, chat. You know, if I wasn't streaming, I would just set my alerts. You feel me? And just come back when my alerts go off. But damn, trying to fix your hat in the camera is crazy. Look, what the hell? What the hell did I just do? Oh, this is wild. Alright. If I wasn't streaming, I would just set my alerts and just come back when it goes off on my phone. But you know, I want to be here for you guys. Like I said, I want to build a really strong community. See how it says right here? I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, chat. Block the light. Hold on. Oh shit, my phone out. But you see where it says take profit trader, sale ending soon? That's that no activation fee. So when I was telling you to take advantage of that when you see it for take profit, that's basically, okay, hold on. That's basically saying if you buy an account now, there's no activation fee. If you pass it a month from now, you have to keep repaying your monthly fee until you pass it. It's still no activation fee. This is what I was talking about right here, chat. Now, this is me getting in early. If I get in right now, I'm getting in early. I'm getting super early. We just closed to a bearish fair value gap, which is right here on a what am I on, a 5 minute? On a 5 minute, we just closed to a bearish fair value gap right here. We have another one here. So if we close through both of these, fair value gaps, this one and this one, I don't like just the one on the bottom because it's unpredictable. So what I should do is go to a higher time frame, like the 15. No, maybe the 8. Okay, so on the 8 minute time frame. And you don't have to do this. I'm just being extra right now. You can just simply wait. This is a fair value gap. We close above this. is a very, very bullish sign. I almost want to hop in here now and just. This is crazy. Why is it so much? So many pips. I mean, so many points. It's wild. Even one micro would be risking 150. Just one. 450 would be right here on the 8-minute time frame. Let's go back to the 5. Let's go back to the 1. Okay. Oh shit. I could have got it right here, chat. Oh, we never got a touch. Okay. It might come back for me then. Now look over here on the 1 minute. We have 37 seconds. I mean, on the 1 hour, we have 37 seconds left on a 1 hour time frame right here, and it already looks to be getting rejected from this low over here. Definitely in discount. From high to low, I'm definitely in a discount. So I'm in a buying area. I'm in a buying zone. It's just that buying from any of these levels right here would just crush my drawdown. Like, look at this. If I was to just get one contract right here, that's 160, 170 that I would be risking on the trade for just one contract. And like, it's just not worth it. I could wait for price to pass this red line, come back and test it and get a better entry. If it comes back down here, I'm hopping into. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But like I said, it's pushing into this 5 minute fair value gap right here. So let's see what happens. I've had times, chat, where I really thought I knew what I was doing, and I'll go do something like 10 contracts and be like, oh, because if it goes down here, you know, but like 10 contracts, bro, look at it. That's $2,000 I would be risking. I ain't doing that. Tripping. I need to come back down here, be more. It's looking like on the 15-minute, man. This is a pretty hard rejection. I mean, it's not, the candle's not closed yet, so we really don't know if it's rejecting or not, but one thing I do know right now, one thing's for sure, two things for certain. These breakout traders right here, they're panicking. They're in panic mode. That price did not follow through off of this volume right here. mean, is $215 a day good for somebody? What is that? 1,000 and some change a week? 15 and 15 is 30. Another 15, that's 60, 75. That's $1,075 a week. If you just made $215, just say $200. That's 1,000. That's $4,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's another $48,000 a year just for making $200 a day. $48,000 a year is good money for a brand new trader. Don't let these people on YouTube twist your brain and think you have to make 1,000. You have to be driving a Lambo. Lambo was an ass, by the way. You know what I mean? That's just my opinion. But you know, I set a 100K goal, not because I'm like a great trader. It's just that I feel like I can make 100K in 6 months trading if I'm sitting here patient. But I'm literally starting from scratch from a brand new funded account and everything. So I'm doing it in front of everybody's eyes right now. Family members, friends, I've sent you guys a link to the YouTube channel. So don't be asking me later on how to do this, how to do that. If you're not showing interest in watching the videos I'm doing now, I don't know what to tell you. Getting the phone call chat, hold on. I don't know who that was, chat. Damn, I wasn't paying attention, chat. I could have got this whole move too. I could have got this move right here when I seen this sweep. I seen this close. This was the retest right here. I would have got in right here. Bro, we could have been up $1,400, bro. That is wild, bro. Definitely came back, retested, broke. But I ain't gonna chase it because that's how you get your ass whooped in this joint. Hear that? That's my daughter banging around upstairs. Sorry. This was the range that we were in. We were trapped in right here. We broke out of this range. See what the fair value got. Let's change this to a different color. Let's do pink. Remember when I was telling you guys yesterday about how every candle moves? 1 hour candles, 4 hour candles, daily candles, everything. So you have accumulation. This is our accumulation phase. Then you have manipulation. And you have distribution. Hey, baby. What's up? What you doing? It's my little monster right here. She be trying to learn how to trade too. Say hey.
Hi.
So I hit the keyboard and lose my daddy money all the time.
Hi. Hi, Mama, Daddy.
Oh, hey, baby. What you was doing?
My piggy.
Oh, you're blinky? Okay. Be careful, Biscuit. So like I was saying, it's the accumulation of the daily right here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the upside. I'm waiting for the distribution. It may happen now. We may be seeing it right now, or it may happen in the afternoon session. Either way, we're up $215 for the day, chat. Can't be mad at that. That's how you pass an evaluation. You risk low. You know what I mean? You risk a little bit amount of money to make a decent amount. What was I risking? $20, $30? You know, in the most volatile time of the market, which is 9:30 open. You know what I mean? Volume is increasing on the hour side, but it's nothing. Look at the rejection coming from the bottom. This is huge right here. If this turns bullish, wow. Actually, we may not even be coming back down here. Do it 15 minute. Okay. Sweep, sweep. 15-minute order block is back inside the zone. We could be reaching for that. Let's go to the 5-minute over here. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot, actually. We have a couple of zones we could take a trade from. We could take a trade from here. We could definitely take trades from here. This is the inverse. So we could get one from here. We could get one from this. This whole area looks good, man. We're inversing bearish fair value gap, meaning we're closing above bearish fair value gaps and making bullish ones as we go. So this is a dope sign for a trend change. I mean for entry to a different side. So this is looking good for me. Then we have a fair value gap down here. I don't know if price will reach this, but let's do some risk management. If I want to take a trade from here, put in my stop loss below here. That's 100 points. That's $200 if I just do one contract. We do a 1 to 2. That takes us to about right here, which is about right. So risking 200. Wait, what did I say? Risking 200 to make 400. Cool beans. I mean, we're already up 200 for the day, so it would really wouldn't be a blow to the account if we lost. Do I think we can get better odds? I absolutely do. I think if we see some price action in this level that I want to get in at, we see some price action at the level I want to get in at, I think we can definitely get better odds. I think we can get such good odds that riding it back up here to the other side of this zone wouldn't be a bad idea. This would literally bring us about $800 off of one micro. But we need the proper entry, so I can risk 2 to make 8. But I don't want to hop in right here. I just don't feel comfortable hopping in right here. Because if I do something like this, I'm in the premium part of this little micro dealing range right here. I'm like above the halfway point. Let's make this darker for you guys. Why is it dotted? Okay. So from dealing range from high to low, swing high to swing low, if you cut it in half, the top side is premium, the bottom side is discount, and vice versa. So if you're trying to find a sell, you want to be selling in premium, you want to be buying in discount. So right now, with this little dealing range from this swing high to swing low on a 5-minute time frame, I'm in premium, so there's no way in hell I should be looking for buys right now. I'd be like 3 chicken wings with the fried rice. I should move this. Messing me up. This is my 5-minute order block. Okay. So if we close above this, should we check? That was the red line I was telling you. If we close above that, I feel super good about taking the trade once we come back for the retest. I don't know how much I put on it. I'm pretty confident we're going to this other side of this, to the other side of this dealing range, to the other side of this range. Nah, I gotta go to the store and get them Blu-ray blockers. This is insane. My eyeballs are literally watering every time I come and get all these charts with y'all. Anybody know what them other traders did today? If you watch any other traders, like Trader Matt, Patrick Whelan, I mean, that guy's like a gambler damn near. He's good though. Who else traded? Damn, I could have caught this move to the downside. I was really tripping, man. This is a huge stop loss for me. It's over $300. I need to be somewhere around here. You feel me? Alright, so on a 5-minute we did close above that. This is a valid order block. I'm going to actively be looking to take a trade. Actively be looking to take a trade underneath this red line here, even more so underneath this black line, which will put us right into our fair value gaps. Let's see what happens. So let's see what happens. Guys, the goal is not to sit here all damn day either and watch these charts. I mean, I've done that. I've done that for years straight, and it didn't benefit me at all. It's when I was able to take my wins and get off the chart is when I actually started making some money. Like, I'm totally happy with 215 for the day. I could do a set and forget. Placing my stop, my buy right here. Why is it such a big stop loss? I mean, it's less than $200. I mean, if I went down here, it'd be 200 right here. And a 1 to 2. This would be a 1 to 2.3. So we did a 1 to 2.5. This would be a 1 to 2 is 400. So this would be a $600 move right here. I mean a $500 move, I'm sorry. I mean, do we do it, Chad? Do I just set and forget and go about my day and come back to our account back at $300? Or do I sit here and wait? I'm gonna sit here and wait, Chad. At this point, we can go big screen on them. I don't need the other screen anymore. I should scalp to the downside. Let me see if I can scalp to. I might scalp to the downside. That would be crazy, man. That would be crazy, man. I'm in premium. I am in premium. We did sweep into. I'm scalping to the downside. Give me a sell on 3. Oh, I scalped 3. I was tripping. I saw it and just did it. Let's go. I'll scalp to the downside. No. Yeah, the momentum is definitely to the upside. I'm not even going to trip. I just felt like maybe I can get me a little scalpy scalp. Okay. Let's see here. Do we get it? Because I'll go in heavy and get this money back. Are we pushing up? We're pushing up. Let's go 5. No, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. I'm selling again. I'm selling again, chat, because I'm not convinced I need to get my bread back. And watch me crash out live on stream. Oh shit. Okay. Let's get that money back real quick, chat. Let's get that money back. Let's sell 3. Let's sell another 3. You feel me? You feel me, chat? I was trying to be slick. That's what you do, but I already had my buy, so I wasn't really tripping. Let's sell another one. You know what I mean? That's why I wasn't tripping, because I knew it was going up. I was just trying to get some extra breads. You feel me? Trying to get some extra breads. So another one. Oh, you know what? We hit our target, chat. We're up 342 for the day. You guys see me do some bullshit just now. I could keep going, reach my target, but why? 342 for the day. Account is at 642. We're well on our way. It's a Friday. Chat. Markets move stupid as hell on Fridays. I think that this trade is actually going to come up here somewhere eventually. I may put one on, leave a little runner dooski on them. What do you want me to do, chat? Put a runner on? See, we came back and touched this level crazy. We came back, respected this level, like I said, and we bounced off of it. I mean, the volume is dying down, but it's also growing. It's dying down on the bearish side. I should put a runner in. What will one give me? What will one contract give me? I got in right here, one contract up to here. That'll give me another 600, another 630. It's being greedy though, chat. Like I would literally have to put that joint in from here. I got in right here. I'll literally put my stop right here. That's 140 something. Like, why would I do that? I just made 340. You know what I'm saying? Plus, this is looking like a this is looking like a bearish order block right here. This is looking real bearish for an order block, yeah. This is my 4-hour zone though. Like I'm really adamant about reaching that. I could literally pass the challenge today, chat. See, I knew they were gonna come back down with it. Especially to at least to that black line. That's why I should have sold where I sold my positions at, and then got back in. Should have sold off my inventory, because that's what I'm doing. I'm buying and selling inventory. When I bought, I was buying the NQ, and then I sold it. Now I should be selling the NQ. I should be getting something to sell to the downside now. But we come down here below this black line, it may get crazy. Did you guys hear orders fill? I don't think you heard orders fill because I didn't go to my TraderVate. Damn, chat. I know y'all like to hear the order fill joint. Hold on. I know y'all. What? I'll accept the cookies. I know y'all like to hear the order. Access simulation. I'm going to say it again. I'm in a funded account stage. That's what you got to do. Okay, you see? 642. 642. I just have the funded account from TraderVate connected to TradingView because that's where I trade at, guys. Okay, I don't want to hear no bullshit about, oh, you trade on a demo account. No, this is not a demo account. This is an evaluation test to get funded. This is what a lot of you will do. Okay? It's a real deal here. Not tooting my own horn, but damn, you know what I'm saying? Hour and 47 minutes. We're up $342 on the day. What else? Doing this live in front of your eyes, people, so don't judge me if I take a L. I take an L. You see, I was in drawdown $100, lost the profits that I made, but because I know my bias, I felt comfortable putting on heavier trades to gain that money back. And like I told you guys from the jump, and when I told you I had the red line marked off here, I said price was going here. I said that shit when price was all the way up here. I said price is going to drop to here. This is where price is going. What we do, we get that drop. Now we're getting that sweep. Now I'm like, okay, guys, I think price is running up over here. We have a lot of liquidity sitting here. I think price is running here. I was saying this also. So I'm trying to tell you, man, your boy knows a little something. I mean, I know a lot, but I know a little something. You feel me? Let's go back to the 5. Okay, we're getting into the area that I want to see. I want to see this. I want it to come into here. Let's go to the 1, see if we're getting any type of reversals. Are we getting any reversal signatures? What is this? Oh, this is that 5-minute order block I was talking about. It already got tapped though, so let's get rid of that. Chat, do any of you guys know how to get music in the background of the stream so y'all can actually listen to some music and not listen to dead silence? Because I don't know how to do that yet. So if anybody figures out how to do that or already knows how to do it, please let me know. It'll be gladly appreciated. We got snow outside down here in Georgia. Skies are cloudy. Snow's on the ground, probably about 2-3 inches. See, guys, y'all probably thought I was tripping when I said I was going to take the sell. But look at this. Had I would have stayed in it, I'd have been good, but, you know, no biggie. No biggie. I don't know if we're going to reach our fair value gap. We have a sweep of liquidity right here. This makes it valid. We got a sweep of liquidity right here on the 1 minute. Boom. There's liquidity here also. But price may be good coming here to collect orders. All I know is I told you that them breakout traders were screwed that traded that breakout to the downside. Shout out to Mamba FX too, man. He's a breakout trader. He be killing it. I like that dude, man. Niggas be really hating on that young man, but he be really doing his thing. I don't know why we have such a hard time giving props to somebody doing their thing. It's always about, oh, somebody's scamming. There's a lot of scammers on the internet. A lot of the same people that say he's scamming be scamming. A lot of them have YouTube channels just based off of him alone, using his clout, using his accomplishments to boost them up, making content about him scamming. He's not a scammer. He's doing his thing. He doesn't do live like I do, but he, you know, like, come on, man. I gotta stop that on the internet too, man. I gotta stop that in the trading community, especially. You got guys like Kimmel Trading. I watched him literally blow a whole account in a room full of other traders. And like 4 days later, he did a video about Mamba FX not being able to trade. Like, that is insane, bro. You just did the wildest shit on camera, and now you're talking about somebody else can't trade. Kimmel. Really, dog? Chat, listen, you gotta watch out too, chat, because a lot of these people, they be trading in demo accounts. They don't post their losses and all that, and they try to make it seem like they're trading in real live accounts in order to get you funneled into their program where they teach you some generic shit and don't give you all of the sauce. You know, they're not, tell them to trade live. There's a few of us on the internet that actually trade live, you know, and there's a few you could tell are genuinely valid, like Tory Trades. She's valid. She's valid. I haven't seen her trade live, but she's valid, man. I like Mamba FX. He doesn't even have a course that he charges you for. He used to, but now he just gives it away for free. I haven't seen his course. Maybe he puts it out in increments. I don't know. Who else is valid? See, a lot of these guys are held up by the prop firms. So the prop firms give them free accounts. You know what I'm saying? They give them free accounts in order to trade on. So they're trading all willy-nilly because they don't really care, because the prop firms are giving it to them because they have a big following. For you and I, it's not like that for us. So you gotta be really careful who you deal with in this industry. But luckily, if you're on my channel, you found me. You feel me? I'm doing it live right in front of you. I'm sitting here going through the motions, analyzing the market right here in front of you. I'm looking for a trade to the upside. That was my last analysis. Let me see, because it does change. How much time we got left on the hour? Oh, a new hourly candle opened up. Hold on, chat. Let me do my analysis. Did we close beneath this? Oh, let's be accurate. Let's be accurate. We didn't close beneath it. We swept this low. We swept this low. So now I'm looking for a trade back to the upside somewhere in this wick. This wick needs to give me an opportunity so I can be happy. Let's mark this green. Let's mark this green. I was already looking for one to the upside, but you know, I had to check. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 1 minute. To the 1 minute. Maybe it's still gonna push, because we still have the 4 hour. The 4 hour didn't close yet. But we've had a hard time closing beneath these lows, man. Like, it's really, the markets. Look at that. It closed above this one also. is a bullish order block. This is a bullish order block. Swept this low, broke these highs, never came back and retested. Oh, it did come back. It came back 1, 2, 3 pushes down. Yeah, I'm going for the reversal, bro. This is insane work right here. This is insane work live. I was gonna get my black ass off the camera, but I think I have an opportunity to make some big gains right now. And like I said, I like this target right here, man. Oh shit. I like this target right here. This shit looking good. Especially because we got this fair value gap right here with mad liquidity resting above underneath it. I'm really liking this target. And on a 15-minute, this would be my valid order block on a 15. So we already hit a 5-minute order block, right? We created a 5-minute order block. And I didn't teach y'all what that was yet, chat, so I'm just talking to myself. We already hit a 5-minute order block on a 15, on a 5-minute. 15-minute order block form, but it's not valid until we close above it. Once we close above that, we can probably start headed up to the fair value gap. So let me drop back down to the 1 minute, see what we looking like. Definitely had a market structure shift, closing above this high, coming back down. What is this black line here? Is that from that order block I drew out, chat? This is tripping. That's a 4-hour order block right here. That black line fucking me up. So on the 5-minute, I believe I was looking to catch. Yo, okay, this is that wick. Okay, this is the wick. That's what it was. I drew a wick. But from high to low, I'm in discount right now. I'm in discount right now, chat. I'm in a discount zone. This would be 15-minute OB. Let's write that out. 1.5 OB. Just so we know, let's move it to the right. Okay. This will be my 15-minute order block. We already closed over the 5-minute order block. Wait, what the hell? Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm wilding. 15-minute OB is up here. Tripping. That's our 5-minute OB. It's a 15-minute right here. I'm about to say 15-minute order block is right here. Let's move this to the right. Boom. That was our 5-minute order block that we formed on a 5-minute chart. From swing high to swing low, we are in discount right now. So you just cut the range in half. Swing high to swing low. High part is premium, low part is discount. Remember when I told you, oh, we're in premium, I should take a sell, and I took the sell and it started going up against me. I hopped in with some more contracts, took my profit out. I should have got back in for the sell because we were in premium. Now we're in discount, which is going with the narrative that we're trying to go higher. Let me go down to 1 minute, see if I got any confirmation. I don't have any 1 minute confirmation yet. I'm specifically looking for some candle structure to tell me. I like that the market's slowing down though. I like this. I like the range. What are we on, a 15-minute candle? Remember, like I said in the second video, every candle has accumulation, manipulation, distribution in it. So I should wait for this 15-minute to close. It's probably when we'll get the move. But if I go to a 5-minute, okay, we're opening a new 5-minute candle right now. So let me go to the 1 minute. I really should be on 30 seconds or something. But see, we have the accumulation. See that? That's the accumulation. Manipulation to the downside, distribution to the upside. I'm looking for it to sweep liquidity to the left. So maybe if it sweeps this low right here, maybe I'll start getting in. Chat, I'm about to take my car and try to go do some donuts in the snow. I gotta go find a parking lot. I haven't done it in my car yet. I haven't driven my car in the snow yet at all. It's probably horrible too. It's probably horrible as hell in the snow. I'm gonna have to go back through my videos and timestamp them. I don't know how to timestamp about where the trades are at, so you guys can actually fast forward and see the trades that I'm making. My camera's over here, but I gotta move over here to center it. So this is wild, bro. I gotta get my setup correct. It's 11 o'clock right now. I really don't want to enter a trade. I'll give it to 11:30. How long is the streamer going for? 2 hours? Okay, we're getting the sweep of this low right now, like I just called out. Let's see what happens, chat. Let's see. We got the sweep. We swept the low. Do we get bullish price action here? Is what I want to know. I feel like we get bullish price action here, chat. Okay, that was cute. Okay, we still could. That was the first fair value gap. Cool. We knew that was going to happen. Here's the bottom one. Here's the last one. And I'm liking this level right here. This level. I'm liking this level right here. Let's see. I'm looking for some bullish price action. I'm getting my ass in this trade. This will be my last trade of the day. Straight to the upside. I should target that. This order block up here. It's possible. Oh my God. If I put 5 contracts on, if I put 5 contracts on here, chat, you're talking about $2,300. Should I do it, chat? Should I do it? Let's see what happens with this candle. I'll do that shit, chat. I really want to risk $40. What if I risk $40 on? Let me see. I really want to risk 40. That means I'll have to have like a 20 point stop loss. Oh, that's 20 right there. That's 20 right there. 23. $46. That's cool. That's cool. We'll be a little bit under 300 for the day if I was to take that L. If I was to take that L. But 300 for the day is my minimum target. You can do a lot with 300 a day. That's 1,500. That's $6,000 a month. You feel me? You take out your 6 or whatever. You build your shit up, take out your 6. You take out 4, have your 2 in there, do it again. Then you leave in 2, so now you got 4. So now instead of risking 100, a 1 or 2 or 1 to 3 or whatever, you can risk 200. That's how you scale up. See how I didn't hop in that trade chat? It's how you just don't hop in shit, bro. I was doing that shit before when I was first learning how to trade, and it was wrecking me. Hopping in, seeing shit. Now I'm able to see the levels, see what I'm looking for, and just be patient. Okay, we can get tap into that zone. Okay. Okay, now I want to see something. We tap. Let me move this. Let me move this. It's probably confusing the hell out of y'all. Let me move this too. We tapped into that zone. Now I want to see. We swept this zone right here into our fair value gap. A close above here would be valid. A close above this level right here would be super valid. Here we go. Close above this would be super valid. Okay. Okay. Buyers are stepping in. We had them stepping right here on low volume. They came back with higher volume. Failed to close beneath here. We took the market up here. They pushed it down here. We took it back up here. Closed right here. All right. Let's see who's gonna win this battle. Remember, our bias is to the upside. Hopping in the trade right here wouldn't be bad. If I was to hop in right here, go beneath this zone right here to here. It's 100. It's 100, but I'm not gonna do it. Should be risking 100. I'm not doing it. I mean, I could do it. It's not bad. It's not bad to risk 100. Remember, I'm doing 10% of my account, which is pretty high. They say don't risk more than 1%, but we have little accounts, guys. So we're trying to make it big. Risking 1% is not gonna do it. We'll be here all day, every day, all day. So 10%, $200. You know what I mean? Good strategy. You can make some good money. There's something over here that. So this level is holding, but I'm also feeling like from here to here would be valid too. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to see price come and close below. So this level's already been hit. Right? Let's move this. Price is still bouncing around that level, which is cool. Right here is like would change my whole bias if we close beneath that. I like this up here though. I'm not even gonna lie. I like that target. $240 passes my evaluation of 5 contracts. Actually even less than that. Let me do some quick math. Let me do some quick maths. This passes my evaluation right here, which is crazy. Which is crazy. I'm about to go in for it, man. I'm about to go in for a little 5 banger. I'm going for a little fire banger chat. Let's see what the deal is. How much time left in this candle? Oh shit, price going nuts. Come back, don't take off without me. Let's put a limit in. Let's put a buy limit in right here. What the hell? Okay, yeah. I like that. Let's do it. Price hit here, we buying. Want that joint's running right here. It's in. It needs to tag us in. She taking off without me, chat? Nah, it's not taking off without the kid. Taking off without your boy is crazy. So I don't do limit orders. That's why I don't do limit orders. And I gotta get on some bullshit. Now I gotta get on some straight bullshit. In case, because this should be acting crazy sometimes. Tag your boy in. What? You're not gonna tag me in?
Order
say,
filled.
We in the trade, chat. Chat, we are in the trade. I need a rejection, chat. They just pissed me off with this. I tried to move my stop loss down like that. They just really pissed me off with this move right here they just did. That's why you can't trust them, chat. That's why you can't trust them. Let's fucking go. Let's go, chat. You know how your boy do. I was gonna let it rock all the way up to the top, but I ain't no idiot. I gets mine. I gets mine. Count at 733 right now. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and take off 2, chat.
Order filled.
Let's take off 2. Count at 704. We have 3 units left on here. Modify that order. Alright. Let's bring our stop loss up. Yes, baby. Huh? Oh, wow. Wow, baby. That's what you want?
Yes.
You have one already. We bought you one.
No,
That's your scooter. Let me get. Love you.
Okay.
That's your scooter, baby. We bought you one already. Where's your scooter? You have this one.
It's
Purple?
purple.
Yeah, purple.
Purple.
Yes. That's the one you have, the purple one.
Purple.
Yes, baby.
Yeah, purple.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, purple. Yeah, purple. Yeah, purple. Yeah, purple.
Okay, hold on, baby.
Yeah.
Hold on. Daddy's doing something. Chad about to take off another one. At the cell.
Order filled.
I don't like the way it's bouncing around. Let's modify. Take this down to 2. 2 is cool. 2 is cool. Don't give back profits, chat. Like, don't give them back. Like, I don't understand why traders do that shit. You give back profits for what? Okay, I'm going to break even. I'm break even on this trade. This trade stands to make another, let's see, 240 and 240 is 484. 44 times 2, chat. If we don't get taken out, price is looking weak. It's not really pushing. It's 1123. You know, I'm cool with whatever happens right here. I'm gonna let this rock out. Price action is looking really, really suspect right now. That's why I don't like Friday price action. But my bias is still valid. Account as it stands right now is at 50,734 on our way to 53,000. So we've made $434 on the day, locked in profits. Can't make any less than that. We are currently in a trade for 2 contracts to the upside, possibly can make another $800. We break even on the trade right now. I actually need to move this up a little. Oh shit, I hate when I do that. I should actually move this up just to cover fees. Hold on. Let's just cover these fees. That's what I like to do. Cover the fees and shit. The time it takes to take us out the trade. Chat, I'm about to go upstairs, get me something to drink. I'll be back. Y'all can sit here and see how this trade plays out. It may take us out. It may make us some money. If I took out the trade right now and closed out, we'd be at $50,800. That means we made $500 on the day. I'm cool. We're going for this trade. I feel like it's a good setup. Let's just see what the market gives us. I may be in a little bit too early, but I don't think so. Yeah, let's see how this turns out. I'll be back in a second.
Stop field.
Well, what happened here, chat? We got taken out at break even. Not mad at all. Like I told you, it's 11:30. The market normally slows down around here. Still though. Still biased to the upside. I just wasn't willing to risk the profits that we made today. That would have been really asinine. Don't chase. Like I said, if the market closes beneath here, I think my trade idea is no longer valid. But I'm liking these wick rejections. But it's looking like we're going to turn around and go down. I don't know. But thank you guys for stopping in, chilling with me. And I will see you guys Monday. If you want to check me out during the weekend, I'm on my other channel, Web 4000, where I'm playing Off the Grid. It is the hottest game out for 2025. Third-person shooter, kind of like Fortnite, kind of like Call of Duty had a baby. Popped out with this thing. Dope-ass game. In-game currency is actually live currency, cryptocurrency that you can earn for free and make you some money. But you don't have to participate in that type of activity. You can just play the game for simple fun. Dope game. Check me out. Channel is Web 4000. Web 4000. And again, salute. Thank you guys for stopping in. See you guys on Monday. If you find my channel, Biscuit, hold on. Hold on. Daughter rushing me, man. That's crazy. She's only 2. Like I said, have a great weekend. Hold on, Biscuit. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
So I'm going to play in the snow.
The shot too.
Okay. If you guys come across my channel during the weekend, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Start up fresh on Monday on the road to 100K. Starting from the very bottom, which is passing the evaluation on the prop firm account. Okay? Like I said, Web 4000. Listen, appreciate you guys. Be safe. I don't know where you're located at, but if you have the snow, drive safe. It's going to turn to ice. If you're in the West Coast, and you're in California, I hope you guys are safe with the fires and everything going on out there. See you guys later, man. Thanks for stopping by.